You love gaming or listening to music, but built-in sound card's performance is not the best. I know how you feel. Therefore today I will take a look at this tiny but powerful SMSL Nano One external sound card. It is smaller than you think. And the nice bonus is the magnetic base, which helps fix it in any position you want. You can't deny that it looks very fascinating, and it's so easy to use. Just one USB-C cable. Despite its sweet price tag, it's built like a tank. With a metal body, the standout design feature is definitely the transparent window on top, giving you a direct look at the internal board and the chip. Unlike many gaming sound cards that require heavy software to simulate surround sound or just to get to work, the Nano One does all the processing on the hardware itself and without any drivers. When you click the knob to change modes, the chip inside the device changes the audio profile, so your computer doesn't need to do any extra work. Digging further into the box, there is a user manual, a USB-C to USB-C-A cable, and its little metal plate with 3M adhesive backing. The sound card base is fully magnetic. You can snap it into your PC case or onto any metal surface. It's genius way to keep your desktop clean. The top is dominated by a massive tactile volume knob. This isn't just for volume, it's a multifunction controller. On the back, connectivity is straightforward. You get a USB-C port for power and data. It's completely plug and play on PC, Mac and even mobile. For your headphones, you have 3 separate 3.5mm jacks, a dedicated headphone out, a dedicated Mac input, and a combo headset jack so you can use with the gear you already own. And it is so simple to upgrade your sound performance and start using this. Just plug it in, set the sound source to this USB sound card and start gaming or enjoy your music. Next time on the main TechScrew channel I will upload a full review video after tens of hours of testing, and I will record the real difference between these sound modes. If you have any questions or options about this sound card, you are welcome to write them down below this video. Good luck!